Tisch, Tisch, Wasser, Wasser, Tisch, Tisch, Wasser, Wasser, Tisch.
Hello and welcome to Castle's Corner. Today I'm doing another do-it-yourself build, and this is a big one for you guys who actually understand biomechanics. You know you either want to be doing leg extensions or sissy squats, specifically for your quads. So this is a do-it-yourself sissy squat build. All you're going to need is two 2x4s, one 2x2, one dowel rod, an extra board for stability if you want. You don't even really need it. Tape, towels, screws, a screw gun, and of course, a saw. That's all you'll need. Now let's go ahead and get into the build, guys. Alright guys, here is the completed project. Now, it's very stable, it works really good. I've already tested it out. Now myself, I'm 215 pounds and I have no trouble using it. Did a lot of reps, got a pretty good burn in my quads actually. But as you can see here, hopefully, you just have a little place here. This is where your feet go before you slide them in here. There's a foam pad here for the top of your feet. Here is going to be the dowel rod covered in the padding, and you're going to want to measure this post right here to go just underneath your knee. So about this part of your leg here, just underneath your knee is where you're going to want to put that. Now let me give you a little demonstration using it now.